next tech tool I'm going to show you is called wheeldecide.com. So you can see that's the URL up here at the top. And what this is just a fun kind of game show, exciting way for you to either choose different things you'll do with students in the classroom. You can choose actual students, make groups. It's just a really cool, fun way that keeps students excited about making choices within the classroom. So when you scroll down, you'll see a place where you're going to insert your choices, and I'm just going to insert some names for now because that's typically how I use this in my classroom, is just kind of as a student selector. Again, like I said, either to make groups or to give certain students various jobs around the classroom and so on. So let's go ahead and insert a couple more names just so I can show you. And there we go. Okay, so then I can create a title. So let's just say project groups or project jobs. There we go. And then click advanced options and it gives you some more fun options to do. So you can remove the choice after it's landed on if that kind of works with what you're trying to do. The color theme, you can choose like a fall for fall time, Halloween. I like to do either light colors, or beach ball is a very fun one, or colorful usually does like a rainbow. How many seconds you want it to spin? 5 seems to be pretty standard. You can make it smaller, larger, custom colors if you really want to, and the text colors can change as well. But if you are satisfied with this, it's really only the thing that you need is to put in your options, and then the other things are up to you. But once I click apply wheel changes, you can see that this is my wheel. All I have to do is click on the wheel in order to spin it, or students can walk up to my smartboard and tap the wheel in order to spin. They all get all nervous as it's spinning because they don't know if it's going to be them, and then it makes your choice. So again, a great way if you're on Zoom teaching virtual learners or hybrid situation to make choices, maybe for somebody to volunteer, read their answers aloud, go first in a presentation setting, make jobs or projects, and so on. So that is wheeldecide.com.